Alright, this is the F-16. This model is designed to be super realistic, with a cockpit, air intake, exhaust, and reinforced wings. Very lifelike. So, first off, I recommend using 13-inch thin but strong paper for this build. For flight models, kraft paper is a great choice for folding. You can take this F-16 base and tweak it into planes like the Su-11, MiG-21, Zilong, F-18, F-101, MiG-19, F-11, single-tail fighters, but F-14 or F-15 style twin tails. Alright, let double to start. First, grab a square sheet. This is 30x30 cm cotton paper, same type used for the F-35. Fold it to the center line. Crease the diagonal first, then fold to the center line. This model. This base form is pretty flexible and easy to adapt. Try to take a look and study this structure. This base can give you ideas for your own designs. Now, pull this area out and spread these two sections open. So, this base is a bit more versatile than the F-35, J-20 or Su-57 bases. The Su-57 base is more for twin-tail fighters like a F-15, MiG-29, or MiG-25. This one, though, is aimed at single-tail fighters. All the planes I just mentioned, Su-11, etc. are single-tail designs. This model is also very cleverly engineered. Make sure your creases are sharp and clean here. Ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Use your best effort. Check that these edges line up and this point meets this one. These are important steps. Now, you need to bring this part over. This next step is similar to a petal fold in origami. When folding, make sure this point aligns with this focal point. Press it well. Be extra careful with thicker paper. All these areas must align as you work. like this, center it, smooth the top, and align this crease top and bottom. Aligned. This area. Fold down. Fold down. This is basically a skateboard fold. Be careful not to let the inner paper layers slip. Later, layers.
松开。
Keep this edge aligned with the crease line. Then press it flat. This is a challenging step right here. You also need to pull this part out. This is a horizontal crease. When you open it, align the edge with the crease. Press it flat. Next is a fairly complex valve. Open all these lines and arch the section first. Start by unfolding from here. You will see a small cluster of diagonal lines. You need to extend them straight up or to the left. End point of this crease, like this, see clearly? Like this, extend straight to the crease. It has to be straight. If you fold accurately, it will be. On the right side, do the same. Push it out from inside. Like this to this point. Extend this small line up to this point. Just like that. What you need to do is bring this edge to this edge. Before this step, you can pre-fold it to this center line like this. Then fold it over to this point. This point must also meet this focal point. Crease only the middle section. Do the same on the far right. You need to fold this corner up for the pedal. Fold it down. When folding over, align this edge to this point. Then pull this part out. Pull this one out too. Fold this to the left as well. In a moment, we will open this area. Open the sides. Okay, let me show you this structure slowly. This is the tail section. This is the nose. And these are the wings. Thank you.